have come to Nandi Hills.
Start.
First I close.
Hello, what's up people? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day as always. Blah blah blah. As you can see, early morning है, मतलब obviously राइड पे निकले आज. बहुत दिन हो गया था होस्कोटे के बाद. Okay, 4:30 in the morning. My friends are already waiting. I'm late. बहुत दिन हो गया था, हम लोग नंदी की तरफ नहीं गए थे. So thought कि चले नंदी चलते हैं. बहुत दिन हो गया नंदी चल के. सनराइज देख के आते हैं नंदी में करके. तो अभी निकले हैं फिलहाल. Hope you guys enjoy today's video. Make sure to like, share maximum with your friends guys. I know कि बहुत सारे लोगों को वो मास्क वाला वीडियो पसंद आया. Most of you guys liked it. Please share, please share. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, enjoy the rest of the video. I'll see you there. Empty roads, early morning. No full throttles, मम्मी गाली देगी. अभी निकले हैं नंदी की तरफ. नंदी हिल्स. Rajat is riding Flynn. Karthik and DJ are going there on the NS. Ritik and Moin are behind on the Duke. Yes. Bye boys. Once के टोल तक तो आ गए. I guess we missed them. Oh boy. ओके सर. आ गए अपने लोग, आ गए. और पीछे
till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Okay, I will do an interview. Ada? Okay. So, Roger. Okay, we have come to Nandi Hills with Ricky, DJ, Mohit, Ritik, Karthik. Oh, one fast. Oh, introduce myself, Rajat. Okay. Saying all the.
They are from your village. They are telling this language. Kutti, Kerala Kutti.
Kerala Kutti.
That girl.
Uno Kaicho. That view nice. That cloud.
Start.
First I close. Thanks.
So, we are in Nandi Hills. You know hills?
Yeah.
This is full of hills.
Oh, I didn't know.
And we are standing in the hills.
Oh,
That is the reason we are in hills. Okay? And
people you're seeing here.
they are just full lapa only. Sitting there, making out. Full. See that guy is taking photos. What pose is doing, I don't know. And he is full bending and taking.
And that guy full alone.
Girlfriend left, she came up. Photo, come, follow me.
Hey.
Come da, we'll do vlog. Hey, come.
Treasure phone.
Fine guys, then we'll see you in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to drop a like, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Today we are with Rajat, DJ, Moin, Ritik, Karthik. Bye Elra. Bye. Bye. See you guys. Peace. We are out.
From the BART train to a tour bus, still the same game.